Hey everyone, this is Ruth. Again, Ruth's Art Room, and I've got an Etsy shop called Fern Hollow Printables, and I just designed a whole bunch of really cute junk journal packs. And the first pack, I have a mega pack, and it's all kind of an artsy craftsy cute girls theme. The first pack has got a couple pages of cutout little cute girls that like to cook and all that other stuff, and then there's also a some other just ephemera, little artsy craftsy things. There's a loaded tag kit that's in there. There's a bunch of background pages, double pages to make books out of, single pages so that you can print on the back of the tag kit. And so that's our upload. It's got all kinds of ephemera, really. I didn't want to print it all out. I'm running low on some ink. But then on a separate listing is this Folio. And it's a little bit of time cutting out, so I'm probably going to speed up some of the process. But I just love how these turned out once they're printed. They're just beautiful. These images are all going to be on PDF format. The other junk journal kit, some is JPEG, some is PDF, just for ease of use. The Folio kit does come with how to put together, but I think sometimes I'm a visual person. Sometimes I feel like I need to see somebody actually put it together. It took me a few minutes to figure it out myself. So if you want the long version, feel free to watch this. And it's kind of, it's why it's called a junk journal. It's kind of funky. There's different pockets that we put inside, outside, all kinds of panels, outside pockets, and then ephemera to put inside the pockets. So really cute stuff. So let's get started. I'm going to be doing a lot of cutting out. Like I said, I'm probably just going to go through this, speed it up so you don't have to watch everything. If you see a tail in front of the camera, that's my cat Fiona, my best friend and art companion. And she likes to monitor everything I do and make sure it's correct. I could do this with a paper cutter. I might do that. Definitely not necessary, but if you've got one, feel free to use it. There's Fiona. She's decided that she's going to lay on my project. You're going to have to move, Fiona. Now, all right, so we've got the panels glued on. Now I'm going to work on the inside panel first, and we've got pockets for each panel. So we're going to cut those out and put those in. Alright, so I've finished this top side, the inside. Now to finish the back, we've got this. All right, see how this is folding? Okay, so battery died. Now I'm back. I have this complete. So I'll just show you really quickly some of the ephemera that comes with the kit. Are these cute little cutouts. There's 2 pages of ephemera. I just cut out a couple of them. The items. Let's see, there's a couple more little tags. And then I used some fussy cut of the little girls from the other Whimsical junk journal kit. So I'm just going to show you kind of where to tuck all these. It's just cute little spots to put little notes you write on the back, journal on them, give this as a, I don't know, even like a little birthday gift would be cute. You can put, there's a tuck here. And then when this is off, let's see, we can put her in here. This little, here's the cat. This cute little chef girl. And then when you fold it over, I did stamp here. This is not, those words don't come with the kit. I did stamp it there. And I think the best closure is if I get some a little Velcro square. You know, those little things, they're already in squares. You just cut them out. And those have always worked really well for these folios. I'm going to put other little art girl here. Then on the back, here's the other envelope where you can put more notes. So I think it turned out super cute. I'm really thrilled with it. It was not hard. It's just, you know, some cutting and gluing, which is always fun. But, and then I did go ahead and put together the loaded tag kit, which is in the Junk Journal Mega Kit. So, all these little tucks, and it does come on when you print the page off of the tags, it does show the mock-up of what this is supposed to look like. So cute stuff for art journaling, gift giving, and oh yeah, here's one from last week that I created. It's a, if you look on my shop, I have a couple of different kits for honeybees, and this is the loaded tag kit, which also comes with these little cute envelopes, which I thought would be cute for, you could put little birthday gift cards or whatever in those. All right, so that's it. I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. You can email me at fernhollowprintables@gmail.com, but go to my Etsy shop. The link is below, and I hope you like and favorite the shop. Talk to you soon. Bye.